did I miss? We have all the way from the United Kingdom, our brother KJ, Pastor Jacob's brother-in-law, traveled all the way from the United Kingdom to come to this conference. Let's give him a big hand. He's a doctor, he's not a pastor, but he's here traveling to come and enjoy the conference with us. Thank you for coming and thank you for traveling all the way. And so yes, I hope that I've covered everyone in the States and the international attendees of this conference. So we want to acknowledge the presence of, the servants of the Lord who are here with us for this conference.
When
the CPEP discussed and prayed and asked the Lord who we should invite to come to this general conference, we all understood and the Lord impressed on our
Maka